Hello, welcome to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves, and I'm going to be walking you through one of our fresh trade-ins. This is a 2021 Harris Tri-Toon. It's going to be 25 feet long and have the Tri-Toon package. This boat is going to be a middle to upper tier luxury pontoon boat, so the amenities on board will reflect that. You will have the cup holders on both sides with built-in USB chargers. You'll have deep storage underneath and vacuum molded storage compartments, so whatever gets put in here will stay dry for the most part. You will have the center ski locker with table mount and built-in armrests with some additional cup holders. So you'll have plenty of cup holders on this boat to far exceed the 13-person capacity. At the driving station or your helm, you will have dual captain's chairs. You will note that the helm is also raised. Speaking of the helm, this one is going to be equipped with a JL Audio Bluetooth head unit. You'll have your speedometer and RPM gauge on both sides, as well as your center SIMRAD. So this will give you all of your GPS mapping and chart plotting features. This boat does have 88 hours on it, so it is just broken in. If you follow me to the back, you will notice another table mount in the middle, as well as the quad lounger setup. So these will be almost identical to the seating configuration in the front with pop-down armrest and additional seating. Back here in the back, you will note that on either side of the outboard are these two swim platform fingers, so you will have a lot of party space back here and entertainment space. Comes equipped with the tow bar, so you can do any of your towing and skiing needs on this boat. And like I said earlier, this is your 250 horsepower Mercury outboard with only 88 hours on it. This boat is for sale here on Lake Lanier and MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. So if this is the boat that's for you and you want to get on the water, give us a call and we'll see if we can make it happen.